Welcome back guys to this channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add voice in your PowerPoint presentation. So first, I have this presentation. What I will do is go to slideshow and then go to record. The drop down menu will show you start from the beginning or start from the current slide that you're in. So I will do is I will start with the beginning of the slide. So this will show you this kind of like a presenter view. So you can turn on your camera or you can turn it off like so, and then make sure that your camera or microphone rather is turned on because you will be recording a voiceover here. So you can start recording by pressing this red button at the middle top. So alright, so the timer is now starting and you can already speak from here. And then once you will move on to the next slide, make sure that you are already done talking, because when you move it to the next slide, you will see that the time will restart back to 0, and whatever you said while you were moving the slide to the next slide will not be recorded. So again, I will move this to the next slide and you will see that the time is restarted back to 0, and on the right side you will see the total time that you're in. So you can also have your notes added here and you can change the size or not, and you can also change the type of presenter view, whether you want to see your notes or not. And then I can stop recording in the middle of the presentation and restart recording this specific slide. So I will click this like a restart button, so you can edit from the current slide or from the beginning. So you will see here again that it started recording back to 0. So once you're done, you can export this actually into an MP4 video file. But if you want to just stick with the PowerPoint presentation, you can just go back to the slides by clicking this and then press escape or ESC from your keyboard, and you will see that you're back to the presentation slides where you can edit your slides. And then you will see that from each page that you've recorded a while ago, they are now in each of the presentation slide. So you can do that for the rest of the slides, but going back, you can still edit this. So for example, you want to add notes to your presentation so that you'll remember the important things. So for example, I'm writing these notes down here. I'll go again to slideshow and record from the current slide. So you will see that the notes that you've written under your presentation is now visible in the presenter view, so that you will be guided as you record your presentation voiceover. So as you can see, I just re-recorded this part so that so that's how you add a voiceover to your PowerPoint presentation. Thank you so much guys. Please do like this video and subscribe to this channel.